Today we are diving into a fantastic addition to any kitchens, the 14-piece silicone cooking utensil. This set comes with a sleek gray color and looks great in any kitchen. Each utensil features a durable wooden handle that not only looks stylish but also provides a comfortable grip. One of the standout features is the setup is heat resistance. This utensil can withstand a temperature up to 446 degrees, making them perfect for all your cooking needs. This utensil can handle the heat without melting or wrapping. The silicone material is another big plus. It's a BPA free and safe to use for all the non-stick cookware. I love that I can use this utensil without worrying about scratching my pot and pans. The silicone is also super easy to clean. Just quick rinse or toss them in the dishwasher and they're good to go. Another great thing about this set is it comes with a marching holder. It keeps all the utensils organized and within each, which is a huge plus of a busy kitchen. The holder is sturdy and has a non-slip base. I'm really impressed with the quality of this 14 pieces of silicone cooking utensil kitchen set. The combination of a heat-resistant, non-stick, safe silicone and comfortable wooden handles make this must-have for any home cook. Plus, the stylish design and the included holder made it a great addition to any kitchen decor. If you are in the market of a new set of the cooking utensil, I highly recommend checking out this product. It is worth the investment and it will make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you have found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more reviews and tips. Thank you and bye.